This is the secret that your skincare, your body enhancement formulator would not tell you about while teaching you, even in a paid class. They might not even want to give you all of the top-notch secrets. It's mainly directed to the boobs. Fenugreek, I mean, yes, you tried that. But guys, if you want to see the effective ingredients in butt oils that some people would not tell you about, stay with me in this video and you will see. I mean, with this particular ingredient, you don't even need your fenugreek and your akpi. You're putting fenugreek and akpi if you want to put it, but not like it's so important with this particular ingredients I'm going to be showing you. Because for my own oil, I don't even put fenugreek and I don't put akpi for butt oil. No, I don't. So guys, in this particular video, I'm going to be giving the secret ingredients. I mean, they would not tell you about that they actually add to this year. But watching this video because probably you want to make this butt oil for yourself or probably to start a business. Guys, you know what? I've actually tried to squat to get a big booty. I've actually tried to do the vacuum butt enlargement to get a big booty. That one was painful. I ran away, So I decided that I was going to get an effective butt oil. And of course, you know, I must have tried buying a butt oil too. It was expensive and I wasn't seeing any effect, my dear. In fact, you should start paying me now before I even talk. You should, guys. Yes, I know most of you have actually seen videos about butt oil and you will see the fenugreek seed. Fenugreek seed powder, the powder, and you will see the akpi seed, which is called what they even call it? I think in Cameroon, njangsa, something like that. The akpi seed. You've seen akpi, you've seen fenugreek, and then some people also talk about fennel. But guys, would you believe me if I tell you that those are not the actual ingredients for butt enlargement oil? Now, if you've read properly about fenugreek seed is actually more effective for women who are breastfeeding. It actually helps breast milk pump. It helps to pump breast milk. So it is actually better for the boobs enlargement than the butt enlargement you have been hearing about. So go and read about fenugreek. You will see that it actually helps read about fenugreek and breastfeeding mothers. You see that it actually helps their boobs, helps breast milk. So of course, something that helps breast milk is for the breast, it's for the boobs. So it actually could be effective down here because all of them actually boost estrogen, which is the female hormones, the female reproductive hormones. But it's mainly directed to the boobs. Fenugreek, I mean, yes, you tried that. But so stay with me as we go further. And some people also ask these questions like, how do I have to continue forever and ever? No. When you get to the stage you want with your butt, you pause. I'll also show you how to use these butt oils the right way. You pause and then you keep working on you keep doing some mild squats to maintain it. So guys, I'm going to be getting right into this particular video. All right guys, let's go. Good. These are all of my ingredients. No, minus this is my drink. So guys, right here, first of all, this oil is the most important. It is called the macadamia oil. This is the most important of them, or macadamia oil. You might not have, in most of the butt oils you've watched, you've not heard of macadamia. They will not write macadamia oil, but I see macadamia oil. Obonge, you need it for your butt oil. Here you go. Omega-3 fatty oil. You either go for omega-3 fatty oil or you go for fish oil. Any of them is fine, but I actually prefer the omega-3 fatty oil. Then we have flaxseed oil. Flaxseed oil. Now, flaxseed oil is for the boot, like for the bum butt, exactly. So it actually helps to it actually has this phytonutrients, phytochemicals that actually helps to boost the butt muscles. So this is exactly for the butt. Flaxseed oil. Flaxseed oil. You can see them written on your screen. And then here you go. I'm sure they never told you that wild yam. I'm actually using the ingredients you've not heard about because these are even the most effective ingredients. Wild yam, as in taking wild yam, first of all, is also good for your reproductive system. So guys, I think seeing me would make sense. So guys, wild yam is also good for the reproductive system. They actually advise, wild yam is advised if you want to conceive twin. Yes, taking lots of wild yam could actually boost your reproductive system, female reproductive system, and actually help you to have twin too. So you can imagine, wild yam, yes, you could drink it, and wild yam is good for the boom. Now, they did not tell you about the hop powder. Hop powder, it doesn't have a very fantastic smell, but this powder is effective for butt enlargement, guys. This powder, then you should have these powders even before you think of fenugreek, fennel, and akpi. Trust me, guys, I know what I'm telling you. Those ones are even mainly for the boobs, not even the butts, guys. So this is Don Quaya. I have it written on the screen, so don't stress me with pronouncing these things yet. So we have Don Quaya. I pronounced it the way I can. So these are my ingredients for my butt oil, guys. They are very effective. Even if you want to use fenugreek and akpi, these three things are those effective ingredients in your butt oil they really don't tell you about. So let's get right into this video, guys. So this is a 200 ml bottle, and all of these are 50 ml, guys. So I forgot to say, Don't Quire actually supports other ingredients. It enhances the work, as in the viability of other ingredients. It supports their work. That is what Don't Quire is for. So that's why it's really necessary. So first of all, guys, we're going to be going with our macadamia oil. I'll have some in here now. So your point, depending on how much you want to do, but for me, I just want to use this as a practical because I already have mine. So guys, I could decide to pour all of it, and I could decide to pour some of it. Let me just have all of it in the bottle. This is all of my macadamia. Please guys, follow this video to the end and gradually, so you don't miss anything I will be saying in between, please. Then I have that already here. So now I'm going to show you the reason for this paper. This paper, I use it to create a funnel. I used to create a funnel, guys. This is my simple DIY, not a cream mixer, so you don't expect me to have all of those things. And I'm just showing you what I used that was very effective. So I created my funnel, and this is, let me start with the hop powder or the wild yam, since it's white. Sorry guys. So I'm going to just take, now remember they are herbs, so you can take as much quantity as you like, but I'll just take 1 teaspoon each. One and a half or 1 teaspoon is fine because of my oil quantity. You can go for 1.5. Drop my spoon, move this aside. Let's go for our hop powder. These are our effective powders. Like I said, you can add all your fenugreek and co, but guys, these 3 ingredients, these 3 powders are enough. 1.5. This smells funny though. Smells funny. This is my hop powder. Then down to my Don Quire. Don Quire is so important, guys. You see how I've created my funnel? Okay guys, now this is the last one, which is the done choir. I will just take 1 teaspoon of this. Remember what I'm measuring it. 1 teaspoon. Remember they're herbs, so you can put as much quantity as you like. So me, I'm putting 1.5 finally. So my funnel is doing a good work. Beautiful. All of it is in. That's a funnel. So guys, I'm going to have all of my omega-3. These are all 50 grams. This is a 200 ml bottle. So let's add it. This is omega-3 fatty oil. And the last one is flaxseed. Good guys. Remember, you can put as much as the herbs or as much quantity as you want of the herbs. Where's the black cover? So guys, here you go. Now I've cupped it and I'm shaking, guys. All these things can be purchased in the market. Just where they sell organic cream ingredients, you can purchase them. So you shake very well. Did you see how easy it was? Shake very well, guys. And then after shaking, guys, do not use immediately. It's not yet effective. Please store this for 2 weeks so it can be really effective. And after storing for 2 weeks, you can sieve out part of the oil, and still, while you start using, you can sieve out some into another bottle and continue storing this for as long as you can, even for 1 month. If you're not ready to use all, you sieve out some and leave the rest to keep absorbing the ingredients and the herbs. So this should be stored for at least 2 weeks before you start using it. And about how to use it, I'll show you immediately, guys. You massage it first into your ass, and then you move your ass up like this while you massage. And then you try to do squats. Even if it's 15 or 50 rows every day, morning and night. That helps too. So guys, I hope that was very helpful. This is the secret that your skincare, your body enhancement formulator would not tell you about while teaching you, even in a paid class. They might not even want to give you all of the top-notch secrets, guys. So I hope this was very helpful. So like this video, drop comments, and of course, it's your time to make money producing butt enhancement products. If you want me to share more videos about butt enhancement, boobs enhancement, and stuff like this, kindly leave a comment in the description, in the comment section. I'm sorry guys, I'm so exhausted. Thank you for staying to the end of this video. I love you.